Hello. Having already created the learner as an administrator, or if you have the permissions, the assessor, verifier, or whoever else can create a learner, they've been allocated on the previous video to the assessor, and now I'm going to go through the next step, which is getting the student or the learner live on the system. So I'm going to log in as the assessor, and you'll see there's the learner we created, Kate Kane, and it's actually saying select qualification. So I click view, and again click view there, and it gives me a list of the qualifications that the centre has accreditation to deliver. So for this example, I'm going to select all occupations. They're going to be doing level 2 in site carpentry. So I click select, and then you'll see there the registration type. It already has qualification selected. If I was doing just a unit, I would change it to there. You'll notice there that mandatory units did have a tick in it when it was the full qual, but now it's, as I've selected unit, it's just unticked all those boxes, and I can tick whichever one I wish. But as we're going to be doing the full qualification, I'll go back and re-tick that, and you'll see the mandatory units have now all been selected, and I just need to select 3 optional units. Select the learner type, day they start, and the day they finish. Just change the year, and then click save. So now the qualification has been selected, I can log out. Log in as the learner. Now this is the first time this learner has logged in, so it will prompt them to change their password. So I put ABC123 in there, as that was the original one, and then I put in one personal, or the learner would do this, put in one that's personal to them. The password is technically their signature. So as you'll see here, it's the first time I've logged in as a learner. It's asking me to read the terms and conditions, which I can do so clicking there. Once I've read them, I will tick there. The privacy statement, again, is accessible there, and I will tick that. And then untick the boxes, or leave them ticked depending. So as it says there, I want to allow my employer access to the plans and portfolio, and I want to provide work-based recorders access so they can upload evidence on their behalf. So I'm leaving those ticked. I can put in a mobile number there if I so wish. And then just click OK. Okay, the learner can see there, that's the qualification. They can see the units. And it shows you there the progress obviously is 0. And if they once they're submitting work and it's being assessed against the standards, these bars, the percentages, will increase. You'll notice it doesn't actually say there portfolio. That's because the final step in the process is for the assessor to go back in. Now the learner's gone in and signed in the system, changed their password. It's now down to the assessor to log in. Go to the learner's portfolio, and you can do this going through the address book. So under the search option, I enter the learner's surname. That's it there. And here's the entry here. Now, the final step to get the portfolio live is you need to go down to the bottom of their folder, or just below, above there, and you'll notice under candidate detail it says award and organisation registration number. So there you need to put in the learner's registration number they've had with us, with NOCN, Skills Awards, and then click Save, which is just below the Upload button. Once you've entered that and clicked OK, the student's portfolio is then live and they will see portfolio when they log in next. Thank you.